don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're going to be talking about this sling bag that I recently bought. We're going to be reviewing it, showing you guys some detailed looks at it, and probably talking about some little points that might be messed up when people try and fake this bag. You know it's coming, bro. I don't know how it's going to work now with the FW20, but you feel me? At the end of the day, they be faking these shits a lot, so I do want to go ahead and just cover the little details on it in a quick little condensed video, just so you know exactly what to look for if you're trying to buy one of these in the aftermarket. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So before we get into the actual sling bag, right here you do have the tag which comes on the Supreme bag in itself. It says sling bag on it at the top. It has the colorway which is black. It has these numbers right there as well. It says fall winter 20, then some other shit, one size, because obviously it's one size. This is the barcode with the little sticker on it. This is the bag that the actual sling bag comes in. That's beside the point. That's just a little detail. Right here you have the actual bag. It does come with the Cordura tag because obviously it's Cordura. This is what that should look like. It says Cordura fabrics on it. Durable, versatile, reliable. Then it has some other shit on the back as well. This should come on these zippers right here. I don't know if it's gonna come like that on every single bag, but it should come on the zippers right here. The first thing you can see is this Supreme box logo right there on the front. This should be a sewn on patch. It's not printed on there and it's not embroidered on there. It's like a little patch that's sewn in. If you can see, it is towards the bottom of the bag on the front pouch. Another detail on this bag is the fact that the straps on the side of it do say Supreme, so it says Supreme all across it right there. You can feel that the fabric is like under, it's not printed or sewn in. Once again, it's kind of embossed on there. You have it going across each little piece right here. It says it there, it says it once again here. There's also like some stitches dividing these little pieces. If you can see, I pull it up and only this one little portion goes up right here as well. It's divided into 3 different segments. It has a zipper pocket on the front. I don't really know what it has in here, but if you guys do know, Supreme bags do say Supreme on the inner lining of it. You can kind of see it right there. It says Supreme spread out. It has it a couple times going across the inner lining of the bag. It says it right there. In this front pocket, there should be no tags or anything. The only thing that you should see is a little Supreme printed on there faintly, but this is the front pocket. Then on top of it, you actually have like this little hook. I don't know what you're supposed to put on here, maybe like a keychain or something, but that is on the top of where that zipper ends right here. Then you have like this hidden pocket. You open this up and that should be another bigger compartment. This one actually has like a little net on the inside. You have a little carabiner hanging off of it, and there's more Supreme branding as well. But every Supreme shoulder bag, every bag that Supreme makes has a Supreme tag in it. This one just happens to be on that back pocket. All the way at the bottom, you should see this tag that says Supreme made in Vietnam. The tag should be on the back side of the bag around the bottom in this area. That's where you should find it, not in this front pocket but on the back pocket. It has the little net to put some stuff in there if you want to keep it sturdy, but that's pretty much it for the bag in itself. You also have the Cordura tag on the back. Around where this tag is at the bottom lining is where you should find the Supreme tag, but besides that, there's nothing on the back. You also do have this Supreme tab which comes off of the top of it. You can see that right there. That's at the very top of the bag. So this is the full bag. That's what the little tab should look like at the top. Pretty clean in my opinion. This bag goes hard. Honestly, it's way better than what I thought it would be. I low-key kind of regret not getting the olive colorway because that was my favorite one. I just wanted to play it safe by getting this color, but it's still fire. I definitely am a fan, and I think this one will be staying in the collection. Low-key, I feel like I would wear this one a whole lot. Just throw it on real quick and call it a day. It's a simple little bag. You can flip it to the back. Whatever you want to do, it's just clean. You can put your stuff in here. You don't even need shorts with pockets in it. Like, you're vibing, bro. Definitely a clean piece to add to the collection. I feel like they don't normally do sling bags, and that's probably the reason I decided to go ahead and pick this one up. But those are all the little details that I feel like you should need if you're trying to buy one of these bags. Make sure you do your research. I feel like at first they won't be getting faked that much, but if you're trying to buy one of these, retail was $88, so you're not gonna find one for $20. You're not gonna find one for $40. You might not even find one for $60. Trust me, bro, those are fakes. Just make sure you do your research, and if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is too good to be true. But smash the like button on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. In the comments down below, comment some video ideas. Also, if you have any questions when you're trying to buy one of these, shoot me a DM on Instagram and I will reply. It's up here. All you have to do is send me some pictures and I'll try my best to legit check it for you. But with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.